How is Vice President Vance involved in the White House Days of Wins initiative? His role goes beyond the usual duties, highlighting a fresh approach to leadership and public engagement that you won't want to miss. Vice President Vance plays a pivotal role in the White House Days of Wins initiative by championing stories of governmental success. He uses his platform to highlight progress in areas like infrastructure, healthcare, and climate policy. This helps boost public morale and showcases tangible results from federal efforts, making the government's work more relatable and understandable to everyday Americans. Beyond storytelling, Vice President Vance actively engages with both the public and government officials during the Days of Wins. He organizes events, speaks at press briefings, and encourages transparency, making the initiative a bridge between government actions and citizen awareness. His involvement ensures the campaign remains dynamic and inclusive, fostering a sense of shared accomplishment. Vice President Vance's participation also helps maintain momentum for critical policy areas by drawing attention to ongoing advancements. This spotlight encourages continued focus and resources, helping policies achieve long-term impact. His leadership ensures the Days of Wins is not just celebration, but a strategic tool driving forward the administration's agenda. Vice President Vance's involvement in the White House Days of Wins initiative shows how leadership can energize both government and public alike. His role blends celebration with strategic focus, making government achievements visible and meaningful. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, and stay curious about the world around you.